A guy just junked this 2002 Dodge Ram conversion van, and I was looking at it and I was just remembering there was a time when this right here was like the coolest thing in the world. That was state of the art. That was revolutionary. You were king of the world with that. Anyways, this O2 van came in here. The frame is rusted out and it has a bad transmission. How do we open this thing up? That was massive. That was like the biggest screen you could get. Flex Vision. This thing's actually really nice in here. Besides the broken windows, the wood trim is all very, very nice. The interior is clean. The seats are nice. Unfortunately, bad transmission, bad frame. This is a crusher unit. It's really not a bad looking van. I mean, it's pretty nice when you look at it, except for the frame. This is up in the front. My finger is literally inside of the frame. This can't be on the road anymore. Look at that. My finger's right through the frame. Crazy. All right, guys. Talk to you later.